it's here. My course is launching Monday. So I have been learning how to do it. I'm super excited. I actually think now I have the link for you. Before I've been like, I don't know about the link, but I think I have the link now that you can link out there to get to the course. If not, if it doesn't work, you can always email me. I'm Monique Burns. I am in Detroit, Michigan. I am a real estate agent. I do a little bit of property management, and I have a course. And I am a house flipper, and I am an investor, and a mother, and I won't go into all that. But I also, the big news is I have a course, and it's called Section 8 Rental Mastery, Manage It Yourself, the Pat and Monique method. And in my course, I teach you how I manage my Section 8 properties here in Detroit. And if you're not in Detroit, this question keeps coming up. Do you know anybody in my city that can teach this? No, I don't. But if you're not in Detroit, Section 8 is a federal program, so I'm guessing that it runs pretty much the same way, but my course does talk a lot about how to do things in Detroit. So I'll leave that up to you. If you aren't sure if the course is for you or not, I would really appreciate if you schedule a call with me, use my email address, email me, we'll set up a time to talk. And I did make a decision just yesterday that I'm only going to sell the course to 10 people because I got to figure this stuff out. It's like I know the whole Detroit end of it, but the course part of it, I want to make sure that I'm presenting it right, that I've got the mastermind right. I'm very excited about the mastermind. Let me tell you about that part. So once a week, there will be a mastermind, and that is a separate fee. It's a subscription part to the course. If you buy the full course, you can have access to the mastermind. And in the mastermind, we're going to meet once a week, and we're going to get, if you have any questions about what's going on, you can ask us. It'll be a Q&A session, and we're going to talk about our wins, and we're going to share our different deals, like have a deal or no deal conversation. We're going to share our contractors because that's a big deal. You got to have good contractors wherever you are. So especially my Detroit people, we're going to be able to share what contractors we have found here in Detroit with each other. And then once a month, I plan on getting guest speakers, and I have a whole list in my head of people that would be great to just pop into our mastermind who will enhance all of us in our journey of owning Section 8 rentals. And my husband and I have our own rentals. We've been doing this since 2007. And our first tenant had Section 8, and we just really like the program a lot. We think it works great. My course teaches all kinds of tips on how Section 8 works. So if you want to know more details, if you want more of a breakdown of what's in my course, you could watch my last video here. Or if you go to open up the description below, you'll find info on my course down there. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of it today because I did that last week and I don't want you bored. So I'm just very excited. So this video is more of an announcement. It helps if you like and subscribe and all that good stuff. It really helps my algorithm. And then my course is coming out Monday, but there's only 10 slots. So hurry up and get on there and get your name in it so that you get the course. I also have houses I'm selling all the time. So that's another thing. I told you I'm a house flipper. If you want to get on my exclusive buyers list, that would be great. At the moment, I am in the process of selling 14 houses, and I'm pretty sure I've got a buyer's name on every one of them. So you're going to want to get on my exclusive buyer list so that you are one of the people the next time I get a package of houses or we have our own houses that we're flipping. I would love to have you on that list. I'm just busy. We're all busy. I hate it when people are like, I'm so busy. We're all busy. But I'm trying to say, my point is, I'm busy doing the stuff I teach in the course. I think the course is amazing. I'm really excited as I'm reviewing it. I'm like, this is good. If only I had this when I started, I would have saved so much tuition. Anyway, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my course.